We're in Wales. I haven't been to Wales for years. Standing right next to a rather nice car, actually not mine. It does belong though to Kevin Pay, Managing Director of Wilcomatic Car Wash. Nice to see you, Kevin.
Nice to see you.
Kevin is the UK distributor, well the company's the UK distributor for Creased car washes, and we're here today to put his Porsche through a Creased car wash and talk about it while we're going through. You've heard of carpool karaoke? This is something similar but with a car wash. How's it going, Kevin?
Okay, this is a gold edition Varius C163 from Creased. So with the foam, you see we've got coloured lights. Works better at night, but instead of changing the colour of the foam now, they're using the lights to colour the foam.
Okay,
and,
that makes sense.
Particularly in a dark environment, it creates a really good impression.
Excellent. There's a lot changed since you've been in the industry. I mean, you've been in the industry about 30 years. But...
Yeah, that's right. Well, a lot has changed. Mainly around the sophistication of the equipment, really. It's got a lot more reliable, and it's got a lot more innovations in it. So the quality of the product is so much more. So you see at the moment, just coming across the roof, we've got high pressure water from the roof jets. Now, there's quite a serious need for this because what this is doing is it's cleaning all the grit away from the car paintwork before the brushes go on it. So effectively, you're keeping those brushes clear from any grit or grime that could damage the car's paintwork. We're using these soft brushes, which is a combination of textile and foam, which is designed to clean the car and also to buff it. And we've got some oscillating high pressure, so we've got some high pressure jets that are now washing the side of the vehicle. And at the moment, the wheels are being washed with the Wheelmaster wheel wash system, which is a unique Creased feature.
No chance I'm going to lose my car aerial then, is there?
No chance you'll lose your car aerial. The machine has a number of features on it that are safety features that prevent a lot of damage happening to the vehicle. Traditionally, people have always said automatic machines damage or can damage a vehicle. The machine that you have here today is using soft brushes. It won't scratch a vehicle. It has what's known as the patented jointed brush, which is a unique Creased feature, and it has a knuckle on the brush that effectively allows it to have a lot more control around the wing mirror, so that doesn't cause any damage. And we also have what's known as direct drive for the brushes. So we don't have the traditional motor and gearbox on this machine. It's an electronic driven brush that has a lot more sensitivity to it and a lot more control. So things like spoilers, things like windscreen wipers, and also managing the cleaning of the brush is a lot more controlled than it used to be. This is a gloss polish, and you'll see that as it comes onto the window, it's aerated. It creates a bubbled effect, and the polish is being applied to the vehicle. And what will happen now is we'll then brush that in, massage that into the paintwork, and it's a special product actually that tends to level out any impurities in the paintwork, any small dents in or scratches and things in the paintwork. Most people would say a car wash is a car wash, and they would struggle to necessarily discern against one brand or another. But I think what most customers would say to you is the car wheels must be cleaned and the car must be dry, particularly around the window areas, and I want it to shine.
Now, who could disagree with that? Although, just to be on the safe side, whilst we were there, we thought we'd ask a few customers for ourselves.
Why would you use this one instead of the hand washing one?
Because I'm in a hurry and I'm a bit lazy and I don't often wash my car, but when I do, I like to have it done, so I can sit and relax and get it done properly.
Hello, Brian.
That's Brian, yes.
So you love this car wash?
Oh, I do. It even makes this look like a reasonable car. And it only gets done about 4 times a year. Used to have a hand wash, but the people that did it disappeared. I've got lazy. Now I've got a motorhome, and by the time I've washed the motorhome, I'm not interested in washing this.
It was always going to be a very good wash. A lovely car, a great shine. It's everything you'd expect. But from a car wash cynic probably of 30 years ago, who was worried about his aerial maybe, or his wing mirror, I've got to absolutely say that I'm convinced that things have changed in all that time. So the first ever interview in a car wash for us, if we could have asked you to sing a song, what would it have been?
It'd have to be Car Wash by Rolls-Royce.
Absolutely, why not? And it was on some people's answer phones, I think, in the 80s.
Yeah, it was.
Nick Needs, ENTV in Monmouth, Wales, UK.